Thank you for choosing the Ardan International platform. Your advisor is now ready to start a digital application for you to open your Ardan portfolio. One of the key regulatory requirements Ardan has when onboarding new clients is to verify your identity and residential address. We use a secure third-party app called ID Pal to do this in real time. Before you start, it's important to have two items with you when you meet with your advisor. A valid proof of identity document. This could be a passport, a driving license, or a national identity card. ID Pal will require you to scan the document into the app, so please ensure you have the original document with you. Evidence of your home address. Typically, this would be a utility bill that contains your name and address. Please bring this with you to the meeting so that you can photograph it while using the ID Pal app. Alternatively, before the meeting, you can download it to your phone and add it once you are using the ID Pal app. When your advisor starts the application process, we will send you an email asking you to download the ID Pal app. Please be aware that if this is a joint application, then both applicants will need to provide their ID and address details. The email from us will contain a separate link for each applicant. When the first applicant has completed the process, please return to the email and click on the Applicant To link. Once you've clicked on the link in the email to get started, you will be asked to download the ID Pal app. You will then be prompted to upload your proof of ID. This involves taking a photo of your chosen form of ID. Next comes a liveness test, where you will be asked to photograph yourself in real time on the app. Once again, the app will guide you through what is required. Finally, you will be asked to provide your proof of residential address. Please use the photo of your utility bill that you saved to your phone previously, or if you brought your utility bill with you, scan it using ID Pal. ID Pal instantly generates a comprehensive ID Pal due diligence report, which your advisor submits with your application as suitable evidence of your identity and residential address. Please remember, if there is more than one applicant, then each applicant will need to complete the ID verification process. You will find separate links in the email for each applicant. Once the various ID Pal processes have been completed, your advisor will receive an email confirming that your identity has been verified. They can now continue to complete your application online. If you have any questions, please speak with your financial advisor.